I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps. Then you come to apps list and here you're looking for Amazon Alexa, just click on it here. So or just click on search, then here add Alexa app, it's going to show for you here Amazon Alexa, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for Amazon Alexa, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.